Hi everyone, this is Celine. I thank you for watching my first video. I call that how to become a successful affiliate and make money online. So in that the particular video, I actually introduced the amazing, what I call the amazing affiliate accelerator program. You see the word affiliate. So that was my first video, how to become an affiliate. You know, I paid money, a lot. I mean, by Malaysian standards, a lot of money, I have to tell you honestly. And I learned something, but when I came and I found out about this fantastic opportunity, I would say, you know, to learn and how to get it done. And then they'll give you a product. It's a high-end product. Because like I said in my earlier video, you want to be an affiliate. You want to go and sell other people's products. It doesn't mean they'll approve you to sell, you see. But this affiliate accelerator, you know, when you drive a car, you press on the accelerator and zoom, you go. This particular program, they are going to approve you to be the affiliate. So you get the approval. That's why it's called the Affiliate Accelerator Program. And the product that they have, because some of you ask me, Celine, what's the product? What's the product? I mean, I really thank you for watching my videos. What's the product, Celine? And actually, it's called Mintbird. But because the product is coming, first of all, it's a fantastic, it's the next generation product. But I want to just take you in step at a time. So come in, get the training. Okay? Because when you learn the techniques of how to be an affiliate, then your skills and the techniques and the strategies you learn will not be limited to this. You can use the skills over and over again on any other things that you want to do for other products. So I find this really amazing. That's why as a consultant trainer, I want as many people to know about this and come in early, get involved in the live boot camps, the trainings, you know, and really learn from these, the two that I mentioned, you know, Chat Nicely and Belcher, Chat especially, and it's really worth it. I was struggling 4 months on my own, and I did launch checking, I did product review videos, and after a time I said, okay, Celine, where are you heading? And I really want some solid training on how to be a successful affiliate. I want to be a power affiliate. I want to know how to sell top products. And not only that, I want to know that I can sell it and that it can be an income stream. I think that is very important because people say, how do I, you know, like I mentioned, it's a pandemic. Okay, so you can't go. If people are selling by the road, who are selling a daily wage, you can't. Because in Malaysia, it's still a semi-lockdown. In fact, we are still in the middle of a lockdown because you can't go out. Even the cars is 2 at a time. So the situation is still volatile. Affiliate marketing online is something that's worth considering. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you the last slide, and then I will give you a short video of if you click on the link I mentioned, I will show you again. I'll put it in this video also. Where will it take you and what you need to do? So I'll take you to those steps, okay? So let's see now. Right, so this was my last slide actually. I put here this Affiliate Accelerator Program, and I say click on my link below in the description of this video, and this is my link because I am the affiliate. I'm an affiliate, okay? Yes. And when you come in, you can become affiliate as well. Alright? So I will then privately message you the details, which will be in a Google Doc, and then you can say that you want to join. So I'm going to show you the steps of what happens when you were to click this, because I'll then put it down again. You can get direct access and kickstart your way to becoming a successful affiliate. You know, that's what this whole thing is all about. and I'm very happy to share it with you all. Okay, let me take you now into the. So if you click the link just now that I showed you, the URL that's in my last slide, and I will put it again in this video description below. You click on that, or you paste it in a new page. Okay, paste it in a new page, open up a new page. This is what you'll see. So what's the name of the product? Mintbird. Mintbird is still a long way to come. My next video, actually, I was going to show you the demo of Mintbird, but I just felt that leading up to Mintbird is the product. It's a high-end product that will be coming on live in another 50 over days. Okay, more than a month ago. And the key here is that they're going to train you on how to do the affiliate marketing. So here we say, in celebration of the release of Mintbird, we have 3 gifts for you. So when you click on that link, so anyone click on your link, now you click on my link, you come to this page and it says that we have 3 gifts for you. So these are what we call bonuses, okay? And then you will finally discover the secret to becoming a top affiliate that makes an easy $300 a day with all the tools, resources, and assets for free. So the training, that's why I want you to come in and really get into the training. They will teach you all this, okay? So here they say we are also going to approve your link to promote the Mintbird launch, and you're going to get simple audio products for free. So when you click on the URL, we'll come to this page, and there is a video here. It's about 2 hours. This is a preliminary launch video, and I attended that video training. Very good. So this is an important video to watch because it will give you the full spectrum of what is this affiliate accelerator program about. I mean, I showed this to you also in my first video, but it's okay, because when you see things like that, you don't remember and connect. So I'm bringing it to you again. So when you come to this page, you watch this video. I'm not even asking you to come in yet. You watch this video, or if you say, okay, I think Celine has something good there, then you can immediately click here. Yes, let me in the program. And you'll be attending a training that I'm attending as well. Okay, so you're going to get instant access to the training. Okay, and then it'll lead you how you can then the steps, because there'll be a members area, and then you get the steps of how to become an affiliate. So that'll be the first step. Yeah, that'll be the first step. So watching this video, it's worth it. That's Mintbird. And in the video, when you watch it, they will show you a demo. So let me just quickly scroll down. At any one time, you can say, okay, I can join the program. Okay. Well, the 3 gifts for you to claim right now. And you say yes. You click on the link, comes here. And so the 3 gifts are, quickly here, sneak peek into Mintbird. Now, Mintbird, the product that's going to be launched in the future. You get a sneak peek to see the power. So everybody has been asking about Mintbird. So here you get to see Mintbird. Then you're also going to get simple audio products, because Perry Belcher and Chat Nicely, they came up with this simple audio product. So these are the bonuses they're giving you. You can use this. This is a private training that Chat and Perry did. So you can actually take it and then even create your own simple little audio products. You want to give it away as a lead magnet, or you want to use it, you want to sell it, you can. And then the third bonus would actually become part of the Mintbird Affiliate Accelerator program. So you won't believe this. What if we told you we want to teach you how to be a power affiliate for free with this launch for free? Yeah. So that's where you come in. Okay, so again, any one time you can click and say, I'm going to come in. So a special gift, we're going to teach you how to be a power affiliate and give you all the assets. That's the Mintbird Affiliate Accelerator bundle. I'm going to give you that. My photo here. Okay. So then the training takes place when? Every Tuesday at 10 a.m. PST. Now 10 a.m. PST is the American time, Pacific Standard Time. So it depends on which part of the world you are. Go and Google and look at the time and say, okay, if it's PST, Pacific Standard, and if you're in the US, are you also PST? Then that's the same time for you. But I am here in Malaysia, so PST means I'm 15 hours ahead. So if it's 10 a.m. on Tuesday, it's actually 10 p.m. on Tuesday night and going on to 11, 12, 1 a.m. on Wednesday for me. So you work out the time, and this is where the training, and this training is every Tuesday. The wonderful thing is that all the trainings are kept in the members area. You can go in there and watch the replay. So it's really good. Okay, you get to know the behind the curtain. Yeah, you'll be the first one to see Mintbird platform. You get the power affiliate training. You get the video promos. You get the images and the ads. You get the special emails. And most of all, you get your approval to become their affiliate. So that's where you call it the Affiliate Accelerator program. Yeah. So any one time, click in and join the program. Special gift number 2 is you're going to get the simple audio products. And the seminar is actually on Wednesday. There's a Wednesday's webinar on simple audio products. This is a private strategy call Perry and Chet did for you. So that's the one. Okay. You get that for free. Then check out the demo video. There's a demo video here. So then you can say, good. So now I'm going to do a quick demo video. Okay, it's about 11 minutes. Okay, next one I'll show you the demo video. Okay, we will call it because already 11 minutes. Okay, no, I think demo is very short. Okay, let me go to the demo video. Okay, it's a sneak peek. I'm cutting it down. So let me come to a close here. This is a sneak peek. In my next video, third video, I will give you the full demo and also give you the launch of Mintbird. But I can tell you, my dear friends, this is truly a special opportunity. Please jump into the bandwagon. Click on my link below, get to that documentation that I showed you, and Mintbird, you click on that. Where will that take you? I will now show you where it will take you. Yes, when you watch that replay, the video just now, and you click and say, yes, give me the program, you will immediately come to this document that says, it's put here, Affiliate Accelerator, welcome from Celine. I say, thank you so much for connecting. And then the bonuses will be available for you. You click on it, it'll take you to the main station where you can sign up, the sign up page. Okay, so this is very important. All of this is sign up page already. So you click here, it goes in. So this is where you get, and it will tell you in detail. Here's the details for you. Okay, and then the 2 bonuses as well. It's here, the 2 bonuses. And then we go down, so the whole thing you read up, the details. So I'd really encourage you to click on my link below, get to that page, watch the video, and if you're very sure you want it, click say, I want the program, get in. Nothing to lose, because you know why? I said already. I don't want your credit card. This is the first time you can get such a unique opportunity, completely free. Come in, learn, pick the brains of these 2 dynamite trainers, pick the brains and also learn the best to be the top, okay, power affiliate marketer, great affiliate. Okay, so here we are. It's there. Welcome to the Affiliate Accelerator program. Thank you once again. This is Celine. Thank you for watching my video, and I will come again. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.